Hello and welcome back to Jannitto's farm. Today, we're diving into one of the most profitable tropical crops, the yellow passion fruit. Not only is it delicious and packed with vitamins, but it's also a golden opportunity for farmers looking to grow for profit. The journey begins with choosing the right seed. Always go for certified grafted seedlings. These are stronger, resist soil-borne diseases, and start producing fruit much faster, sometimes in just 6 to 8 months compared to over a year for ordinary seedlings. Next, prepare your nursery. Passion fruit loves well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Enrich each planting hole with compost or manure and add a bit of DAP fertilizer to give the seedlings a strong start. Remember to space your vines properly, about 2.5 meters apart within rows and 3 meters between rows. Next, let's prepare a hole. First, prepare a hole about 60 centimeters wide and deep. This gives enough space for the roots to spread and grow strong. Carefully remove the seedling from its nursery bag and place it upright in the center of the hole. Make sure the graft union is above the soil level to prevent rotting. Give the seedling a generous watering immediately after planting. This settles the soil and helps the roots establish quickly. Finally, set up a strong support system, such as a trellis. Passion fruit vines are climbers, so this guides them upward, keeps fruits off the ground, and makes management easier. Yellow passion fruit thrives in warm climates at altitudes between 0 and 1,500 meters. The ideal temperature range is 18 to 32 degrees Celsius, and it needs between 900 and 2,000 millimeters of rainfall annually. If you're in Kenya, regions like the coast, eastern lowlands, western areas, and the Rift Valley are perfect. Pruning is one of the most important steps in keeping your yellow passion fruit vines healthy and productive. Let's go step by step. First, look over your vine carefully. Identify any dead, diseased, or tangled branches. These should be cut away to stop disease from spreading. Next, thin out overcrowded shoots. This allows sunlight and air to reach the vine, which helps the fruits ripen evenly and keeps the plant strong. Then, cut back old stems. Passion fruit produces best on fresh growth, so trimming older wood encourages new shoots that will bear fruit. Finally, shape your vine. Keep 2 or 3 strong branches tied to the trellis and remove weak or unproductive shoots. Always make clean cuts just above a node so the plant can heal quickly. With regular pruning, your vines will stay healthy, produce more fruit, and remain manageable for years. Remember, pruning is not cutting back life. It's giving your vine the chance to grow stronger and fruit better, to make it more engaging and productive. Friends, are we still together? Let's pause for a moment. Have you written down the steps we've covered? How to plant your yellow passion fruit, how to water, and how to prune the vines to keep them healthy. Take a minute, note it down in your notebook. Because farming is not just about doing, it's about understanding each step clearly. When you write it down, you make the knowledge yours, and that's how we grow together here at Jannitto's farm. Why grow passion fruit? First, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and great for digestion and heart health. Second, The market demand is huge. Locally, it's used in juices, jams, and desserts, while internationally, it fetches premium prices. And don't forget value addition. You can process it into concentrates, cosmetics, and more. On a large farm, the numbers are impressive. With proper care, you can harvest 12 to 18 tons per acre annually. That translates to hundreds of thousands of shillings in revenue locally, and even more if you target export markets. With vines staying productive for 3 to 5 years, this is a sustainable agribusiness venture. Yellow passion fruit is a gift of abundance, a reminder that every vine we grow adds sweetness to our lives and strength to our communities. Imagine fields glowing with golden harvests, each fruit a symbol of hope and resilience. Let this be your call to action. Plant more, nurture more, and watch your passion multiply. And if today's journey has inspired you, join us by subscribing to Jannitto's channel, where knowledge meets growth and every lesson brings you closer to a thriving future. Together, let's make our farms flourish and our dreams ripen.